Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Harshvi, and today I'm gonna share with you guys a simple and cute Diwali makeup tutorial for teenagers and beginners. So, for this makeup, I'm just gonna use 6 products. So, let's get into this video. So, firstly, I'm just gonna apply this primer from Huda Beauty. So I'm just gonna take a pinch of it on my hands, and with the help of my fingers, I'm just gonna dab it on my face, and then gently I will rub it with my fingers. So secondly, I will just take foundation which is from Lakme, and I'll just take a small quantity of it, and with the help of beauty blender I will just blend it all over my face. So yeah, I'm just done with it, and now I'm gonna apply this compact which is from Lakme. So I would like to share with you guys that you should always apply a compact or a setting powder after you have applied a foundation. So yeah, I'm just done. Now I'm just gonna use this makeup kit which is from ADS. So this kit is really very good. It has all the eyeshadow colors and blushes. So I'm gonna use this light pink color, and this dark pink color, and this white color. So first I will just apply this light pink color all over my eyelids, and then near the corners, outer corners, I'm gonna apply the dark pink color, and in the inner corners I'm just gonna apply a white color. So I've just blend it, like mix it very well so that the color doesn't look different. So yeah, I'm just done with it. So it's time to put on some blush. So I'm just gonna take this pink color. So you should always first dab the brush on the makeup box so the blush is not too much. So yeah, I'm just done with it. And now I'm just gonna apply this eyeliner which is from Oriflame. So I'm just going to apply a winged eyeliner. So yeah, first I will apply on the right side. So I really like to apply winged eyeliner, so you can see it and you can learn from it. So yeah, I'm just almost done with it, and now I'm gonna apply it on the other side. So I'm just done with it, so you can see I've applied on the both the eyes. So now I'm gonna apply this mascara. So don't apply too much mascara, it will not look good. So I'll just lightly apply. And yeah, I'm done with that, and now I'm just gonna apply this kajal. So yeah, I'm just done with it, and lastly I'm just gonna apply this lipstick. So it is a pink color lipstick. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it. So yeah, I'm just done with it. So you can see it really suits me. So this dress really doesn't look good, so let's change it. So yeah, it really looks good, and I just got ready. So hope you guys like this tutorial, and hope you guys like this makeup look. So do try this, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make more such tutorials, then do comment me down below. I will surely make a tutorial for you guys. So that's it for this video. So bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.